In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel. So by deleting your channel permanently, it means you'll not be able to recover it, and this is a decision you have to make if you no longer need your channel. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your YouTube studio. And once you are on your YouTube studio, go ahead and click on settings here. Now from settings, choose channel. And then under channel, go ahead and click on advanced settings. From this, scroll down until you find this option called manage YouTube account. So if you click on this, it will redirect you to a page where you can manage your account. So from here, you can now delete your channel by clicking on advanced settings. And then down here, you'll see this option called delete channel. If you click on delete channel, you will be redirected to confirm your email by entering your password before you can now decide to either permanently delete the channel or to hide your videos on this channel. So by following these steps, you'll be able to permanently delete your channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.